Hello!
Oh, hi, Mark.
So with the coronavirus outbreak, we can't get our hair cut. So today I'm going to get Holly, my girlfriend, to do my hair. She's going to cut it.
Oh, friend.
Fuck you.
She's not trained, she's really heavy-handed, and she's probably crap at cutting hair. So here we go. Let's do it.
Holy Twin Powers, activate!
So Holly's never cut anyone's hair before, so this is going to be us. But nobody's going to see me.
And a 5-knuckle shot!
So it doesn't really matter, does it? You ready?
Yeah.
So Holly, what are you going to go for?
Well, I'm gonna put this out the way first.
My hair's ripping, that hairline ripping off. So Holly, what I want is I want a skin fade on the sides going downwards. And then I want you to shave my beard as well.
Ryan's going a full baby. I'm scared!
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god, sorry.
Why would you do that? I needed like a brushy thing. I can use this.
I think I'm allergic to my hair.
Put your hair dry.
Oh, god.
Okay.
Corona!
Coronavirus!
See you. Whoa.
To see me cut it.
A camera.
Okay, so
any
face that
camera.
way then, so that camera can get it.
Yeah, but don't be standing behind me, otherwise you won't be able
There's
to.
not really a lot I can do about it.
I don't know, just do it. Just make it look nice.
Make it look nice?
Заебал меня это, блядь, аппаратура китайская.
Careful where you're putting that.
Be careful.
Go. Ryan told me to go ham now because I've been being too careful, so
Too careful, you just haven't been, haven't been cutting my hair.
be careful what you wish for.
Wow.
What did I do?
No, you do. Is that what I'm talking about when I say heavy-handed? Like, well, no, you literally just went.
No, I swear on my
What are
life.
you doing?
I swear on my life I didn't.
She tried to hurt my head. She's like, I'm like, what are you doing?
No, why is it so annoying? Sorry, what did I do? What did I do? I literally did nothing.
Ah.
I'm using my hand! Oh no, that was scary.
How's it looking? Holly's saying I was going to do a really good job. I am going to do what she was saying earlier.
I'm trying really hard, like it's actually really hard. How do you make it not look heavy on the middle bit?
Anything.
Yes, they are, stop touching. Right, sit up.
There's like really bulky bits.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm trying to figure out how to fade it in, but I can't. Sorry.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no,
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. People are going to be so horrible to me on the comment. I mean...
Something ain't right.
No. You grab it in your fingers like that and then take a little bit off. You don't go.
It appears to be getting worse. There?
Yeah. Alright, here we go. So last up we've got the beard.
Oh, I didn't know.
Take the beard off. Oh my god, I'm looking at my hair a little bit in the sides. It look terrible. Alright, here we go. Beard time. What am I doing it? Am I just like holding this like this? We're taking away the beard, guys. The beard is going. The 14-year-old is coming back.
Don't blame me, everyone.
I don't remember last time I had. Oh my.
I gotta be in shot, girls.
Leave the mustache. Leave the
I'm
mustache.
gonna do. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, no. That sound.
Come on.
Alright, back on charge. Back on charge. Alright, I'm gonna have to look. Ah! What do I look like? That looks weird. That makes me look like abs. Oh my. The mustache.
Wait.
How's it going, everybody? How are you? Yes. Mustache. Oh! So Holly just came up with a genius suggestion of actually plugging it in. So why we didn't do that a long time ago.
Clever.
Wasting loads of time. Yeah, be careful.
Say bye.
I ain't seen my jaw in ages.
You got a good jaw. God, I can't tell where the mustache is.
Give me a Hitler mustache.
Stop twitching.
You go, oh god, it's like really heavy here and then
I know, because I was trying to cut it the length, but I couldn't.
going on.
Well, bloody put it up then.
Oh my god. Then stop. Oh, do not touch my lip with it. Oh, careful.
I am being careful.
I am being careful. Be careful.
I'm going in the nose.
Don't go my nose.
I've got to get the bits.
This is dangerous.
You guys got
Don't
to
go
get
up. Start from the top and go down.
That's what she said.
No. Okay, right, do it.
Come on, do you want me to do it?
No, what's the title of the video?
Holly fails to cut my hair.
Don't be rude. It's because as soon as I start coming close, you start twitching.
It's because it's really hot. What am I doing on this towel? Why is this doing at all?
You're just holding it for safe.
Ah! You need to like add more. There's meant to be a skin fade. Go to like.
Okay.
Yes, this is where the towels come out. It's that whole hour of haircut is pointless because now you're actually cutting my hair.
My freaking nail!
Got the towel. It's recording you.
Don't do your OCDs because I'll cut you. Not a fade.
What a skin fade
But when
is.
you say
and then you can put the guard on and then do it again, but with a guard on, so it'll be slightly longer, then slightly longer.
That's not gonna work.
That's the way it works. Oh god. She's proper going for it now.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna get the tripod.
Oh, Ryan, it looks bogus. Ryan,
You need to blend it.
I'm trying to blend it. You
Oh
made
my
me...
god!
Here's what I did.
Alright, here we go. This is what happens when you let your girlfriend cut your hair. You ready? My beard's gone as
You
well.
look handsome from the front.
And they want to turn around. It's like, ah!
I just want to say I'm so sorry. I didn't do a good job, guys. Like a pumpkin. You know, I did my best.
Alright, Ollie's gonna style my hair now.
Don't be fucking rude. Isn't he a cutie patootie?
You done?
Good job.
You done?
Yeah.
Alright, we need the final show in them. Okay, I just saw the back of my hair. You can't be joking. That is terrible. My god.
Yeah, but who kept saying go higher and higher?
I literally just saw what it looked like in the mirror. Oh my god.
Who kept saying go higher and higher?
I'll be laughed at
With
by
the
no one
line.
because I'm not going outside. Who had the tools to make it look good?
You gave me one razor. And,
Anyway,
and
guys.
meat scissors.
Thanks for watching, guys.
I want to be in it when you say bye.
Alright, guys. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bitch. Bitch. Go away. Get off me. Get off of me! I did not do it. I did not.